Think back to the 90s. People called the internet a passing fad, saying it wasn't going to change much. Fast forward to today, it's hard to imagine life without it. Now, artificial intelligence is following a strikingly similar path, full of skepticism, rapid growth, and revolutionary potential. But here's the question: will AI disrupt our world even more than the internet did? Stick around, because today we're going to take a look at how AI is transforming jobs, industries, and the future, and why it feels so familiar. The rise of the internet in the late 20th century was one of the most significant technological revolutions in human history. It disrupted industries, created entirely new markets, and changed the way we communicate, work, and even think. But let's not forget, its journey wasn't smooth. Skeptics doubted its potential, early adopters struggled with clunky systems, and countless businesses were caught off guard by its transformative power. Fast forward to today, and we're witnessing the emergence of another game-changer: artificial intelligence. Much like the internet, AI is being hailed as a revolutionary force capable of reshaping the world. From automating tasks to enhancing human creativity, AI is already making waves across industries.
In this video, we'll explore the striking parallels between these two technological revolutions. We'll look at how both technologies disrupted jobs, transformed industries, and sparked ethical and regulatory challenges. And perhaps most importantly, we'll dive into what AI's rise could mean for your future.
Let's start with a simple question. Do you remember what life was like before the internet? Or if you're too young to recall, ask someone who does. It was a world of landlines, libraries, and snail mail. Then the internet arrived and everything changed. Shopping moved online, newspapers struggled to compete with digital news, and entire industries had to rethink how they worked.
Now, AI is creating a similar level of disruption. It's automating tasks we once thought only humans could do. Think about manufacturing. Robots have been assembling cars for decades. But now, AI can design better factories, predict maintenance, and optimize production lines without much human input.
Here's the flip side of the story. While the internet and AI disrupted some jobs, they also created entirely new ones. Think about the internet for a second. Back in the day, no one could have imagined careers like social media manager or app developer. But now those are some of the most in-demand jobs out there. The internet didn't just destroy, it built. It gave us tools and platforms that made creating, sharing, and innovating easier than ever before. AI is doing the same thing. We're seeing a surge in demand for roles like machine learning specialists, data scientists, and AI ethicists. Yes, people whose entire job is to make sure AI behaves responsibly. And it's not just about high-tech jobs. AI tools are making life easier for small business owners, freelancers, and even educators, helping them save time and focus on what they do best. Let's talk about adaptation. Because if history has taught us one thing, it's that society has an incredible ability to adapt to big changes, though not always without a struggle. When the internet took off, there was a rush to learn new skills. Suddenly, knowing how to code or build websites was the golden ticket. Entire industries like publishing and retail had to pivot to survive. AI is sparking the same kind of shift. Schools and online platforms are popping up everywhere to teach people AI-related skills, everything from coding to understanding how to use AI tools in everyday work. But what's fascinating is how AI is also adapting to us. Tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney make complex AI accessible to anyone, no coding required. It's almost like we're meeting in the middle. AI gets easier to use, and we get better at using it. How are you adapting? Have you started learning about AI tools? Or do you feel like it's all moving too fast? In a coming video, I'll be sharing the top new skills that will be essential in the age of AI, so look out for that. But for now, let's continue.
So now, let's address the elephant in the room. The challenges. Because as much as I'm excited about AI's potential, I share your concerns about where this could all lead. Remember when the internet brought up issues like privacy, cybercrime, and misinformation? We're still dealing with those today. AI is bringing its own set of challenges, like bias in algorithms, job displacement, and even the fear of machines becoming too powerful. And then there's the ethical side. Should AI replace human decision-making in areas like hiring, justice, or even warfare? These aren't just tech questions. They're human questions. The thing is, we're still figuring this out. Governments, companies, and even everyday users like us are shaping how AI will be used. But that also means we have a responsibility. What kind of future do we want to build with AI?
All right, here's the big question to wrap things up. Will AI surpass the internet as the most transformative technology of our time? The internet revolutionized communication and commerce, but AI is going beyond that. It's not just changing how we connect or shop, it's changing how we think, create, and work. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster, enabling scientists to solve complex problems, and even creating art. But the future isn't set in stone. It's up to all of us to decide how we use AI. Will it empower us to tackle the world's biggest challenges? Or will we let it create even bigger problems? What do you think the world will look like in 10 years? Will AI live up to the hype? Or will it be just another tool we take for granted, like the internet is today? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. And hey, if you're curious about how to stay relevant in an AI-driven world, make sure to subscribe and check out my next video, where I'll share the top skills you'll need to stay ahead of the game. See you in the next one.